part D. I want to know what's the acceleration. That's the thing that's always going to come after you find the net force, or you're always going to need to know what the acceleration is. Okay? So, I know you're saying, oh, Mr. B, another thing. It's not bad, I promise. Okay? Here it is. F net equals MA. F net equals MA. So, Newton's second law. Let's give all these things masses. Moon Muffin, Mr. Moon Muffin's got a mass of 10. Hey, let's just make them all 10. Car's got a mass of 10. They all got a mass of 10.
When does that make number 1 and number 2 the same? 1 and 2 would be the same.
Not necessarily. Yes, they would. Because you're saying because the net force is 0 for both? Yeah. So, how do I do this? Net force equals mass times acceleration. Divide the 10 over, you get A equals 0. Okay, easy enough. The car. Even if I made this car's mass 100, let's do that. Let's make the mass 100. Let's make it, we don't want the cat to weigh the same as the car. Let's make the mass 100. Even if I made the, for both the cars. Let's make them 100 for both the cars.
Do we still keep the other force?
So I would still do net force equals mass times acceleration. It'll still be an acceleration of 0. Hey, guess what? If the net force is 0, the acceleration is always 0. So let's look at the last one here. Net force equals mass times acceleration. I want you to try this one. It's not going to be 0 because I have a net force. I want to see if you can figure out what the acceleration is. So again, the equation is this. F net equals ma. We know the mass, 100. We know the net force, 200. See if you can figure out what the acceleration is. Okay? Huh? 1? Oh, 20. Close. So how would I solve this? So F net equals ma. So 200 is the net force. Mass is 100. Solve for A. What would you do, Peyton? Yeah. So I know.
That's why I said 20.
I know. I just wanted to make sure Peyton sweated about that. Be nice to her, Peyton. AKA, don't flip her off.
Yeah, she's flipping out. We'll talk about this later. Let's not pretend like that is that you do well with that.
You know what just made me laugh, though? What made me laugh is I'm recording this and posting it on YouTube. So it'll be on YouTube about Peyton stop flipping off Aaron. So that'll be on there. That's just for posterity's sake.